Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a OnePlus 15 and let me share with you how to change the screen timeout on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll all the way down, maybe not all the way, that was not true. We have to scroll and find display and brightness, so actually at the top. Here we have to scroll down and find the option which is called auto screen off, which is right here. And as you can see, after tapping on it, we will have more options from which we can choose. At the top we've got relatively short options like 15 or 30 seconds, and at the bottom the longest, which is 30 minutes. And this option is applied in my case. So now all we have to do is to simply tap on the option we would like to use. I'll pick 5 minutes, and as you can see, it is immediately notified right here, which means that from now on, after 5 minutes of inactivity, this device will black out. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.